What is going on, everybody? Today is an unboxing video. So I have a little bit of a smaller item. Let's get into the unboxing. You will see what it is. Let's go. Right here, the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Now it's time for me to pull out my old trusty pocket knife right here. Nope, that's the file. Sorry about that. Right there is the pocket knife. All right, so here on the back, you see a little seal. Maybe I don't need the pocket knife. Maybe I could just sort of rip it off just like I did with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. All right, maybe I do need the knife to make it a little bit easier. Ah. Finally. And right away here you could see we're met with some instructions. This is to find the perfect fit. So you could remove the ear tips and you could remove the wings as well. And of course here you have some, I guess, more instructions, right? Instruction manual or something. Yep, that's pretty much what's in here. See right there, the instruction manual. So we're just gonna pluck this stuff, file it off to the side, and right away you're met with the star of the show right here, the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Now right away they have a wrapping on it, so you're just gonna pull it out like so, and then we're gonna crumble that up, move it out to the side. Right there, there's the buds themselves. And of course, also inside the box is the charging cable. I don't believe there's a brick. There's really no need for a brick, to be honest. You get, not exactly sure what these are, but oh, these look like they might be the wing tips. I am not 100% sure. Comment down below if you know what these are. Actually, yes, they are. They are the wing tips. They're not really wing tips, it doesn't look like, but they do, I believe, go on the earbuds. So just gonna put that off to the side. Ear gels right here. Yeah, that's the ear gels. And you can see right here, they got this little, I'm not sure what it's called, but you can see it's got these little holes here to filter out the sound and to let sound out. So I just plucked the other stuff to the side. Now it's time to pair. So I'm already inside my Samsung wearable, or Samsung, the Samsung wearable app. I'm just gonna tap new device, it's gonna scan. And I believe I have to open these. And right there, found my Galaxy Buds FE. Now it's gonna pair. I'm going to press pair right there. Downloading the software, 100% downloaded. Sending diagnostic data, of course. You're all set, and right away, very easy to set up. And right here you could see you have active noise cancellation and you also have ambient sound, much like on the Jabra Elite 4s and a lot of other earbuds that you get. The charging case apparently only comes in at 29% battery, so that has to get charged. For some reason, the left earbud only has about 67%. So now it's time for me to try them out, and this is going to be my first impressions. All right, so right away you're kind of met with this glossy plastic right here on the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, and it looks pretty good. Opening up the earbuds right here, you could see the earbuds are right there. I meant to say opening the charging case. But the earbuds are right there and they have a very snug fit to them. And so once you open them, of course, you now have controls within the Samsung Galaxy wearable app. Right here you could see, if you scroll down, you see the earbud settings right there. You got some settings there. You could turn on ambient sound and things like that. The touch controls, you can change the touch controls. Now, what's unfortunate is that you can't have the Google Assistant or whatever assistant that you use, you can't use that at the same time as the volume up or down like you can on some other earbuds that I have, which is quite unfortunate, but that's the way Samsung made it. So I have it set to volume up and volume down, which by default is not on. It's actually switch noise control for some weird reason. But anyway, that's the way I have it set up. And right here, I'm about to put my earbuds in, and right away you hear the you hear kind of like a sound to indicate that they're in and that they're connected and they're ready to use. So anyway, once you play it, sound quality is pretty good. There's a little bit of bass issues there, but that I'm gonna save all that for the review. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Comment down below what you like, what you didn't like. Also be sure to check out my Samsung Galaxy S24 review. That is in the playlist on somewhere in this end screen. So anyway, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.